Unveiling the meaning of rooted in knowledge. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in your English learning journey: rooted in knowledge. This expression is rich in meaning and often used to convey a deep understanding or foundation in a particular subject. Let's explore what it truly means to be rooted in knowledge, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations and writings. Stay tuned. The phrase, rooted in knowledge, is a metaphorical expression. To understand it, let's break down the key components. The word, rooted, refers to the roots of a tree, which anchor it to the ground and provide nourishment. When we say something is rooted in something else, we mean that it has a strong foundation and is deeply connected or embedded in that particular thing. Knowledge, on the other hand, refers to the facts, information, and skills acquired through experience or education. It's the understanding of a subject gained through learning. So, when we combine these two words, being rooted in knowledge implies having a deep, strong foundation in a particular area of learning. It suggests that a person's understanding or belief is backed by a solid base of facts and learning. To illustrate how rooted in knowledge can be used, let's look at a few examples. 1. Educational context. Her teaching methods are rooted in knowledge, ensuring that students not only memorize facts but truly understand the concepts. 2. Personal development. His confidence is rooted in knowledge, coming from years of study and practice in his field. 3. Debates and discussions. Their argument was strongly rooted in knowledge, making it difficult for the opposition to counter. These examples show that being rooted in knowledge can apply to various scenarios, from education to personal growth and even in arguments or discussions. It emphasizes the importance of having a well-grounded understanding to support your actions and beliefs. Being rooted in knowledge is crucial for several reasons. It enhances credibility and authority on a subject. It builds confidence in your abilities and decisions. It promotes informed decision-making, as actions are based on solid understanding rather than assumptions. Understanding the importance of this phrase encourages us to seek deeper understanding and learning in our fields of interest or expertise. Thank you for joining us in exploring the meaning and significance of being rooted in knowledge. We hope this video has illuminated how a strong foundation in learning and understanding is crucial in various aspects of life. Remember, knowledge is a tree, and being rooted in it provides stability, nourishment, and growth. Keep seeking knowledge, and let it be the root of your actions and beliefs. See you in our next video.